In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the new tab page in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab. You can do that by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser window next to your current tabs. Now look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page. You should see the Customize Chrome button, or in some versions, a gear icon. Click that to open the customization panel. This is where Chrome lets you change the appearance and layout of the new tab page without needing any extra tools or extensions. From here, choose Background if you want to change the visual theme of the page. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see several built-in images, colors, or theme choices. Pick the one you like best, and Chrome will update the new tab page for you. This is a quick way to make the browser feel cleaner, more colorful, or better matched to your preferences. Take a moment to choose the setup that works best for you. If your goal is a simpler and more personal new tab page, adjusting the background and shortcut style can make a noticeable difference. It is a small change, but it can improve how Chrome looks and feels every day. Once you have made your selections, you can simply close the customization panel. That covers everything you need to know.